So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are going to discuss about that today which Money in the Bank, WWE Money in the Bank winner full list of result and matches, key moment. WWE Money in the Bank delivered high octane drama from the Institute of Dome in Inglewood, California, which was June Saturday, with just 5 matches, each packed with intensity and surprises. Naomi and Seth Rollins emerged as a new Mr. and Mrs. Money in the Bank. Truth made shocking return to shake up night chaotic main event. Here, match by match breakdown and full result, which was accommodated by WWE 2025 matches. Women's Money in the Bank ladder match. Naomi defend Alexa Bliss, Bolia and Rhea Ripley and Stephen Walker. A thrilling opener that balanced star power and storytelling, capped off by Naomi outsmarting Ripley and Willis to claim the briefcase in matches that lived up to arguably exceeded last year of Classic. Dominic Mysterio defend Octagon JR Intercontinental Championship. A last minute addition delivered solid action. Dominic used Liv Morgan distraction to secure a quick win with a frog splash. Continues his reason with clever opportunities. Backrange defend Lyra Valkyria Women's Intercontinental Championship. A technical, sound and heated match that saw Launch steal the win using underhanded tactics, setting the stage for decisive rubber match down the line. Men's Money in the Bank ladder match. Seth Rollins defend the Enerada and LA Knight El Granade Americano Penta. Despite excessive interference, this chaotic ladder was delivered in action. Rollins capitalized on Jacob Fatu shock betrayal of Solo Sikoa to snatch the briefcase in dramatic finish. Cody Rhodes and Jey Uso defend John Cena and Logan Paul. The night wildest twist came R-Truth unannounced return, helping Rhodes pin Cena in a wild tag team main event filled with false finishes, botched teamwork, and jaw-dropping spots. WWE Money in the Bank 2025 full result. Naomi defend Alexa Bliss, Julia and Rhea Ripley Women's Money in the Bank ladder match. Dominic Mysterio defend Octagon JR retain the Intercontinental Championship. Seth Rollins and Andrade, LA Knight and Il Granade Americano. Cody Rhodes and Jey Uso defend John Cena and Logan Paul tag team main event with surprise return by R-Truth. What was the best moment of MITV 2025? The best moment of Money in the Bank 2025 is definitely the return of R-Truth. He has been performing in more on a fringe role in recent time, but looking on the card, T-Truth is one of the most dramatic wrestlers and an intense and ruthless version will keep the WWE going strongly in the coming weeks. Also, Truth and John Cena have rekindled their old rivalry, which further adds to the substance in this new dawn. Seth Rollins wins briefcase again after Jacob Fatu comes on solo Sikoa at WWE MITV Money in the Bank match. Seth Rollins is Mr. Money in the Bank for the second time in his career after grabbing the briefcase and bodies were strewn around the outside ring. There was tremendous and Braun Breaker, Braun Street, which lost the match again and again. The match started with everyone going after Seth Rollins except El Granade Americano, who dove out of ring. Penta eventually sent Rollins out of the ring and hit him and everyone also with crossbody. Rollins then got taken out by Americano. Sikoa went for someone spike on Rollins, but Rollins dogged it. He kicked him and sent him into a ladder before landing a curb stomp. Americano and Rollins in an ankle lock on top of ladder. Penta and Andrade joined them on the ladder with Americano pulling Andrade off the ladder and Penta doing a superplex on Rollins. Onto a ladder in the corner, Knight cloth Rollins out of the ring. As Knight and Penta climb the ladder, Reed and Breaker come down to the ring. as the reed of Andre with a tsunami while breaker speared night. While Breaker and Reed quietly made their way to the ring, Jacob Fatu and CJ Mathur announced their arrival. When Fatu music hit, they battled Breaker and Reed through a barricade and Fatu nailed Reed. And someone drop and follow with hope of Susita Fatu then set up ladder for Sikoa. As he is climbing the ladder, Fatu grave his foot and he'll say, Solo, I hate you. But there are many of the occasion. So guys, here you come, please like and subscribe our channel so that we can grow fast.
Yeah.